Welcome friends. Let us see in this video latest exit exam questions for RF, P, FF and RAFF. Question 1. Which of the listed materials would be considered as a burning class 3? Correct answer is electrical insulation. Question number 2. Which toxic gas is a product of incomplete combustion and is often present when fire burns in a closed compartment? Carbon monoxide. Question number 3. The flammable limits of an atmosphere are the answer upper and lower percentage of vapor concentrate in an atmosphere. Question 4. Fire in a pile of linen is considered to be which class? Answer is A class fire. Question number 6. Why is carbon dioxide better than dry chemical? The dry chemical leaves the residue. Question number 6. Fire involving combustible metals are classified as Class D fire. Question number 7. A Class C fire would be burning. Correct answer is electrical installation. Question number 8. All of the following are parts of fire triangle except. Correct answer is electricity. Question number 9. Control valves for a CO2 fire extinguisher system may be located within protected space when the CO2 cylinders are also in the space. Question number 10. Burning electrical insulation is best extinguished by. Correct answer is carbon dioxide. Question number 11. Which type of plan is used to outline the vessel's firefighting arrangements within the fire control plan? General arrangement plan. Question number 12. Fusible link dampers are operated by. Correct answer is the heat of a fire melting the link. Question number 13. Fire is considered under control when. Correct answer is the fire is contained and no longer exists or spreading. Question number 14. Emergency stations on board your vessel can be found on the ship's muster list. Question number 15. When using foam of fire extinguisher on the fire in the engine room, best way is direct the foam on the bulkhead behind the fire and let it slowly spread. Question number 16. Burning of paper, cloth and waste material can be classified as Class A type. Question number 17. Minimum duration of SCBA is. Correct answer is 20 minutes. Question number 18. Which kind of fire extinguisher is best for fighting type A fire? Correct answer is water type extinguishers. Question number 19. When fighting fire caused by cooking oil, which extinguisher you should not use? Correct answer is water and DCP both. Question number 20. Is charcoal the product of dry distillation? Correct answer is true. Question number 21. Sliding type water type doors below the waterline should be able to close manually in how much time? The answer is 60 to 90 seconds. Question number 22. CO2 type fire extinguishers can be used in fighting which kind of fire? Correct answer is C, D and E type. Question number 23. The spreading of fire as a result of heat being carried through a vessel's ventilation system is known as convection. Question number 24. Fire hose kept in a box should have wrench and all-purpose nozzle. Question number 25. Along with the fixed firefighting system on tanker vessels, what else is special to them? Correct answer is lifeboat provided with sprinkler system. Question number 26. When human body is exposed to carbon monoxide, more oxygen goes to blood. False. Question number 27. As per regulation, how many portable extinguishers should be there on board? Correct answer is 5. Question number 28. For B-class bulkheads, the duration of not exceeding the temperature above 200 degrees Celsius is 30 minutes. False. Question number 29. Which type of portable fire extinguishers are designed for use on electrical fires? Answer is trichemical and carbon dioxide. Question number 30. Firefighting compromises of what all events on board? Correct answer is find, alarm, isolate and extinguish. Question number 31. When fighting a fire in a confined space, which firefighting extinguisher you should not use? CO2 type should not be used. Question number 32. During an investigation of fire, what point will be considered? Correct answer is all of the above. Question number 33. When using CO2 type fire extinguisher, what is the way to use it? Aim low, pointing the nozzle or hose at the base of the fire. Question number 34. Reason why CO2 extinguisher is preferred over others? They do less damage than others. Question number 35. To fight Class C fire, you should use CO2 or? Correct answer is trichemical. Question number 36. Maximum weight of portable extinguisher is? Correct answer is 23 kilograms. Question number 37. Onboard firefighting is done by? Correct answer is all of the above: cooling, smoothing, starvation. Question number 38. During fire on board, the communication is to be concise, precise and short. Question number 39. The outlet at the fire hydrant may be positioned anywhere from horizontal to pointing. Correct answer is vertically downwards. Question number 40. Coal can have spontaneous ignition. True. Question number 41. What is the maximum allowable oxygen content within ship's cargo tank, inert gas piping and vapor recovery system? Correct answer is 8%. Question number 42. Fire triangle consists of? Correct answer is fuel, oxygen, heat, all of the above. Question number 43. Class A involves flammable liquids. False. Question number 44. Minimum capacity of a fire pump is? Correct answer is 25 metric cube per hour. Question number 45. Which is the best fire extinguisher for electrical fire? Correct answer is CO2. Question number 46. Fire extinguishing system required for propelling machines and diesel driven motors is? Correct answer is hypermist. Question number 47. How many hours diesel driven fire pump should run? Correct answer is 18 hours. Question number 48. DCP extinguisher works on? Correct answer is inhibition. Question number 49. Class B bulkheads are classified as B15/B0. True. Question number 50. Maximum temperature of an exposed side of B class division is? Correct answer is 225 degrees centigrade. Question number 51. DCP fixed firefighting system is used in which type of vessels? Correct answer is gas tankers. Question number 52. Class A fire extinguishers is best used on? Correct answer is solids. Question number 53. In which language fire control plan is on board? Correct answer is English. Question number 54. Automatic CO2 release system is for which space? Correct answer is none of the above. Question number 55. Meaning of pass in portable fire extinguishers is pull, aim, squeeze and sweep. Question number 56. Before lifting a lifeboat from the water, it must be ensured that fall wires are clear and hooks secured. Question number 57. What is the duration of EEBD? Correct answer is 10 minutes. Question number 58. Duration of SCBA bottle for 1200 liters is? Correct answer is 30 minutes. Question number 59. Fire extinguishers that cannot be used for class F and K. Correct answer is wet chemical. Question number 60. Oxygen removal. How it stops fire? Correct answer is smothering. Question number 61. What is the fourth component of fire tetrahedron? Correct answer is molecular chain reaction. Question number 62. Color coding of portable fire extinguishers is signal red. Question number 63. Which extinguisher is difficult to recharge on board? Correct answer is CO2. Question number 64. What is the length of fireproof line of SCBA set? Correct answer is 30 meters. Question number 65. Class D fire involves? Correct answer is metals. Question number 66. Quantity of reserve fuel for fire pumps outside of machinery space sufficient for 15 hours at full capacity. Question number 67. In cargo ships, the fire pump capacity need not to exceed 180 metric cube per hour. Correct. Question number 68. Inert gas system shall be capable of maintaining oxygen level in cargo tanks below 8% by volume. Question number 69. AFFF is also called as all-purpose foam. It's true.